Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to view your recovery codes in BitGo account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. You will be directed to official page of BitGo. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profile icon. Hover your mouse to it and click on it. Then, you'll see your name and email address here. Click on this button. After that, scroll down a little until you see View Recovery Codes button. Click on the button. Now, you need to type in your two-factor authentication code from your authenticator app. After that, click on View Codes button. So that is how you can view your recovery codes in BitGo account. If you want to generate a new codes, you can simply click on Generate New Codes link here. After that, you need to again type in your two-factor authentication codes. After that, it will be changed. So that is how you can view your recovery codes in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.